What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm at the headquarters right now, getting my hog on like always. I was asked a few things about my welding skid, how I was going to sell it. Actually, what I did was I wanted to see how much time it'd take me to make it, and I used all scraps and drops to make mine. But to price it, I priced it already on all the material to make the base model to get what you need going, like what I have. Just getting the metal and all the other things needed to build it, it's going to be running you about $250. So if you decide to do it yourself, it's going to be about $250. If you want to buy the prints from me, I sell the prints for $25. If you want to just buy the kit from me, I make the kit, get everything ready, cut for you, and all you got to do is put it together and weld it. I sell you that for $350. Now, if you want me to do the whole thing, I do it the whole project for $500, and that's a damn good deal. Hog on.